4 ways for you to hide apps on your iPhone. I'll show them here quickly. First way, you simply pre-press on the app, tap and hold for a bit, then release and click on the Remove App option. Don't worry, you won't actually remove the app from your iPhone, okay? You're just going to hide them. So here, instead of clicking on delete, you're going to click on this option to remove it from the home screen. You click and that's it. Notice that it has been removed from here. To check on the app that was hidden, you can go all the way to the end to the app library. Here, basically, if you click here and search for the app, it will show up, okay? The second way, folks, is to simply hide it from search. To do this, you'll start by clicking on Settings. Here you can scroll down, go to the Siri option, click on Siri, scroll all the way down. You can scroll to the very bottom and click on Apps. Here you'll choose the app you want to hide. So if I want to hide this one, I just click on it and here you'll see the option. Notice that it's showing on the home screen. I can simply uncheck this option. Done. I've hidden it from the screen, okay? But it will still remain in the library as I told you. The third way to hide apps on the iPhone is by putting them inside folders. What do I mean by that? Let me show you. You're going to press on the app, hold it, drag it and place it on top of another app. A folder will automatically be created. You release it and it will stay inside the folder, okay? Let's move on to the fourth option. The fourth option is to hide it using screen time. For that, you go here to Settings, scroll down a bit, go to the screen time option, click it. Here, you scroll down and click on this option, Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now you turn on this option here, okay? Content and Privacy Restriction. You can enable it, just enter your password. It's been enabled. Now here you click on the Allowed Apps option. And here, basically, you can disable the app that's currently allowed. Notice here, when you disable it, it will be removed from the home screen, okay? But it won't be deleted from your iPhone. So I can uncheck it here and it will be removed from the home screen. All right, guys? So that's it. I hope this helped. If I helped, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.